camera twice at the same mobile gas station on Richmond Highway. During one robbery, he even went after the clerk with a hammer. Fairfax County Bureau Chief Gail Pennybacher's live now with this story. Gail.
And we know now he actually came back a third time to try and again. Each 2 days apart, Allison. Technology is going to help track this suspect, as you will be able to see and hear for yourself. Charging through the door, surveillance video with sound shows this man comes out swinging. A hammer in his right hand, he tries to hit the store clerk, then shouts demands.
Open it! Open it! Now!
After getting the paper money, the robber wants more.
Give me all of it. Give me the rest of it. You got change too.
Fairfax County Police say this video shows the second time this same man robbed this same convenience store on Richmond Highway just 2 days earlier. He walks in and starts small talk with the female clerk.
What happened, what? Yeah, throw it up there.
But then he makes it clear what he wants.
Open it. Open it. Open it.
He cleans out the cash drawer and walks out, but in both robberies he leaves behind his image and his voice, something that shoppers hope will get him identified.
Having that technology would have been a good thing, so, I hope that more businesses do that, and hopefully he is caught.
From the first robbery to the second, this man gets more aggressive.
This man should be behind bars already before he can really hurt somebody.
Police say he actually returned a third time within the same week.
The doors were still locked, but he actually had a knife in his hand that time.
Another clue this man left behind, the brand of cigarettes he smokes.
Give me a pack of Newport. Right now. Newport, ready. Right now.
This is a gas